So here's part one of this bus stop shelter assignment. Can think back to a time when you had to go to school and you had to wait for the bus. And it was cold out, or it was rainy out, or windy out, or just super hot out. You wanted somebody to stand to kind of get out of the elements, to kind of stay warm, stay dry, stay cool, whatever. That's this assignment. You're going to design and build your very own bus stop shelter. All right. We'll help you kind of go through each step of the way, doing some criteria or checkpoints as far as the size, doorways and windows, about the roof, and then having it fully furnished. So do this first one here first. 6 foot wide, 12 foot long, 6 foot tall shelter. Now, that's pretty good size. If you get your ruler handy, okay, or even your Chromebook, it's about 6 Chromebooks wide, 12 Chromebooks long. That's a pretty good size. Then a lot of fish houses. This would be like a medium to small fish house, but hey, for one person before the school, pretty good size. And 6 feet tall. You could be 6 feet tall right now. We don't know, but it's a pretty good size shelter. That's what we're gonna build. It says it has 3.5 inch thick walls. I'll help you with that, and a 3 inch thick floor. There, we're figured out. So I'm gonna build this shape based on these numbers here. So I've logged into my SketchUp program. I'm going to create new. I'm going to go feet and inches, delete that off, and then begin building. So I'm going to first build the floor, then build the walls. Okay, so it's a pretty quick build for part one. Pretty quick build. I'm going to go rectangle tool. I'm going to click and move the mouse, but not commit to numbers yet. Down here it says my dimensions. I'm not going to commit yet. I'm going to type in 6 feet, comma 12 feet. 6 foot by 12 foot. So there's my shelter. Okay? And they wanted 3 inch thick floor. So if you were to pour some concrete, slab of concrete, it's about the thickness they want to pour it. And in most garages have a 3 inch thick slab out in the garage that'll support weight of a car, no problem. So that should support your weight pretty easily too. So 3 inch thick floor. I go with the push-pull tool, drag upwards, hit 3, enter. There's my slab. There's my slab of concrete. I'm gonna build my shed on this. My shelter on this. All right. Now it says it wants to have, oops, wrong screen. There we go. 3.5 inch thick walls. So we haven't used a whole lot. We did kind of hint on that when we did the double bunk beds. Remember how we made that top bunk have a little 3/4 of an inch thick wide little zone for safety? Same way here. I want to have or if you know where it's at, go ahead and go for it. If you don't, it's under the push-pull. It's called offset. Remember, you hover, but don't commit. Click move, don't commit. Type in 3, you can go 3 space 1/2 if you want, or 3.5. There it is. And now they want to have 6 foot tall walls. If I do the push-pull tool, I'm going to click and drag, click and drag this up 6 feet, enter. Okay, so there is the box I'm going to design my shelter in. The downside is the wall looks like it's too tall because it has the 3 inch floor in it. So I have to kind of remark that. That line didn't transfer through. It happens. Oh well. Let's put that back. I have to go up how far? Right. The 3 inch slab, a 3 inch line. I'm just going to draw a line from intersection to intersection. I'm going to draw this one here across on the red axis. Can follow my axes to that point. O means orbit. L means line. I'm going to go from that point straight across green to that point. O means orbit. L means line. From that point straight across red to that point. Zoom out, orbit. So now I have the basics of my shed ready to go. So next time I'll kind of come back, look at the doors and the windows all that stuff. Okay, so we have our 12 foot by 6 foot. Now it's by 6 feet with my little 3-inch slab floor. When you save this, go save as, let it load, go to your, if you don't go to your account, it goes to your Chromebook. And then if you go to a different computer, log in, it won't be there. So make sure you go click on your account. Click on your account. Let your account open. Then obviously call us here. I'm calling mine the bus stop shed or shelter. Now I know what it is. Okay, then save it, and we're good to go. Wait, it says saving, saving, saving. Wait for it, saving, and saved. Now it's saved. All right, that completes part 1, checkpoint 1.